What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to get into an account. This is a follow-up video I did a few days ago talking about the 3 steps to getting to $10,000 a month dropshipping on eBay, and I'm going to make maybe a video a week specifically walking you guys through that process from $0 to $10,000 a month dropshipping on eBay. So like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So the last video, I talked about the growth stage, the maintenance stage, and the duplicate stage. And I wanted to give you guys just a little bit of insight what the maintenance stage looks like. Because on this account that I'm doing here, it's in the maintenance stage, and now we're going into the duplicate stage. So the growth stage, just to go over the 3 stages really quickly, the growth stage is where you start at 0, you have 0 listings, and you have to go from 0 to 10,000 listings in about 3 months. The maintenance stage is where you stick between, I would say, 4,000 to 10,000 listings, and you just keep that account churning just around 10,000 listings. And you should be making between $1,500 and $3,000 a month profit once you maintain that properly. So I want to show you guys what that looks like traffic. So I'm going to jump into my computer because I'm on the same account I told you guys. So if you can see, this account has sold $27,000 this year so far. I started the account, if I remember, right around February. When I started this account, it was on this YouTube channel I showed you guys. So from February, we listed about 3,000 items. We got up to selling $2,600 with that 3,000 items. At a 25% profit margin, the account made about $600 that month. The following month, so that's March, April, we listed at 3,000. We got up to selling $3,600 that month. That's about $720 profit. The next month, we got up to $5,200. If you remember, this month, I did not list an entire 3,000 items. I just got a boost of sales. I'm not too sure why, because I didn't work a lot on the account then. But between May and June is where I got up to 10,000 listings. So I got up to 10,000 listings and we sold $6,300 that month with about a 25% profit margin. You're looking at about $1,600, $1,700 profit. And then the last 2 months, if you guys looked at the last video, I had 4,000 listings, and now I'm back up to about 6,000 listings. So I'm maintaining this account now. Last month, we did about $1,000 in profit. And this is just on this account, right, guys? The goal is to run minimum 3, maximum about 10 accounts to guarantee that $10,000 a month profit. And you don't have to do anything funky to do that. You can have unlimited accounts in your name. So right now we're at 6,200 listings. And as you can see, once we started to list again, we got a boost in momentum. I didn't list on this account for weeks. So as you can see, it's a bit low. And once I started to list, we had a $300 day. So that's about $70 profit today so far. We had a $1,000 week. So that's $250 profit this past week so far. And that's just on this account. So guys, when you're going through the maintenance stage, you're going to be ups and downs. You should not go through that process that I went through of not listing. You should be maintaining that all the time. But once you continue listing, the money is going to come. Like, subscribe, keep on this channel. We're going to go to the duplicate stage now. I'll show you guys what 2 or 3 accounts look like. And these are not all the accounts I manage. These are accounts I do for YouTube. Check out the description for all the free resources that we have for you in the comment section. Comment and ask any questions. Have a good one, guys.